Assalamu alaikum beautiful friends, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing good. So today we are going to make a karhai, but it's Peshawri Charsi Karhai. So for Charsi Karhai, here I'm taking 1200 grams of chicken, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 7 to 8 green chilies, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and it's about 750 grams of tomatoes which is peeled off. As you can see, just cut the head and peeled it off. So only 4 things we need, 4 ingredients, and your karhai will be ready. It's such a quick and new, easy and simple way to cook, so and it's really full of taste. So let's start making it. I'll heat up the oil. Around half kg of oil we need here, because the main thing is to just fry the chicken first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So after frying the chicken, we will take it out the excess oil, but right now we have to fry the chicken in like half kg of oil, because we have to deep fry it. So the main flavor will come because of deep frying it. So let's start. As you can see, it's frying right now. Give it a just stir it a little bit after like 5 minutes. So now the chicken is changing the color. We will add here around 1 teaspoon of salt here, or as per your taste. Stir it, mix it. So now it's time to add the ginger garlic paste. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now the chicken will fry in salt and ginger garlic paste. You have to give it a fry till it get a little bit crispy and hard. Just fry it. So now it's been 10 minutes and we are still frying it. The main thing in this karhai you have to do just to fry the chicken, deep fry it. If you don't need anything, any ingredient in your home, so you can make it very easily. Such an easy recipe. It's also for the beginners. If you're a beginner, so you can make it very easily. There is no any hard and fast rule. If there is any question or any query related to the recipe or the video, so you can ask me in the comment section below. Feel free to ask. So as you can see, it's getting brown. We will wait for the other pieces also. So now we will add the tomatoes one by one, the whole tomatoes. So now all the tomatoes are here. Now we have to cover it. So cover it for like 5 minutes and we will cook it on a medium flame. Now it's been 5 minutes. We will remove the lid and check it out. So the tomatoes is still a little bit hard, so we have to fry it more. As you can see, it's getting brown also. It's getting a little bit crispy from this side. Do you like our recipes? Tell me in the comment section. Your subscription, your comments, and your likes really means a lot to me. So now we have to cook it more for like 10 minutes on a medium high flame. Now here, after 10 minutes, remove the lid, and so now, as you can see, the chicken, we will remove the excess oil. So after removing all the excess oil, so now it's the normal oil that we use making kadhai. So now, as you can see, it's so soft here to mash. So firstly we have to mash all the tomatoes, because by crushing it, mashing it, it will make the gravy. So now it's time to add the green chilies. After 5 minutes, I'm adding here the green chilies. Just cut it and add in it. That's it. So now all the tomatoes are mashed, and you can see the gravy. So now we have to cook it more, cover it and cook it on a medium flame for like 10 minutes. So now after 10 minutes cooking on a medium flame, as you can see, it's almost done now. It's so simple and in such a, so tasty, so delicious and so quick. Karhai. So now after stirring it so well, as you can see, now it got the texture of like karhai. We don't have to cook it more, it's done. So in the end, I'm gonna sprinkle the black pepper powder. Turn off the flame and sprinkle it. So now on the top, in the end, you sprinkle some green chilies. Just give it a slice like this and add in it. And ginger, having a julienne cut. And our kadhai is done. Our Peshawri Charsi Karhai is done. So you guys must be thinking that we didn't use so many ingredients like a normal kadhai, so how will it taste? But I'm gonna tell you that it's really delicious. It's so tasty. Just whenever you make it in your home, just share your experience with me in the comment section below. So we'll meet you another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.